guys, today is me and I just went to a parade. My Mimi, I got to watch her and I got some candy from her, and she was riding her horse, Mama.
And what's today?
Today is the 4th of July.
And what's 4th of July? Why do we celebrate it?
Fireworks.
It's our Independence Day for America.
Oh. So, here's the pond. We just stopped for a little rest, and we're just gonna go here. So I just
Wait, even hold on.
there's a bathroom. Okay, sorry, my mom stopped the video, so let's go look at the pond.
Okay, let's go. What is that? What's?
That's a fish. Grandpa,
Oh,
there's a fish right there.
It's
That
huge.
is a carp. You
Ew.
know what that's from?
No, what?
And people letting their their goldfish go.
No way. Are you serious?
Serious.
Wait, that was a goldfish?
Yep. Yeah, the carp. They're really bad because they eat all the indigenous, the good fish.
Huh.
So if you ever catch a carp, don't ever put it back in the water.
Why is it called a carp and not a goldfish?
I don't know why they call it. I think a goldfish is a carp. I think a goldfish is a carp.
Wait, hold on.